Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm putting a fence in, which is going to involve putting in fence posts, and they're quite chunky fence posts. As you can see as I lift this one up, that's 8 foot tall. I've got to get 2 foot of that into the ground in a narrow, deep hole. And I've already dug one of the holes down here, and I'll show you as I offer this post up. Down it goes. It needs quite a lot of depth because there will be quite a lot of wind and you need them to be deep for strength. So I thought you might be interested to see how I'm digging the fence post holes using my trusted fence post hole digger. Right, I've been using this for donkey's years. You can see I've used it that much that I even broke it and I had to repair it, which is why one of the handles is slightly shorter than the other, but it was an easy repair to do. There's going to be about 4 fence posts along here, and then I'm going to attach rails along them horizontally, painted black, so it's going to look nice and contemporary, and it will divide this formal border from my social area over there. Right, I've done one. Let me show you how this works. It's like a big pair of scissors in a way. You start off slow. You keep them closed as you jab it into the earth. Then you open them and you very carefully remove what you've got hold of. And you do it again. Open, closed, lift, drop. Open, closed, lift, drop. And you soon get in to a routine. Open, closed, lift, drop. Open, closed, lift, drop. Now, there might be some hard stuff at the top compacted, but once you get beyond that, you will find that this is a really easy way of digging a deep, narrow fence post hole. Now, I'm not saying this is the only way of doing it. I have seen auger machines which have a great big drill bit on, and you can get electric ones or petrol ones, and you put them on and it drills down and brings the earth up. I haven't got one of those, and I'm quite happy doing it manually using this. Take your time, there's no rush, but do be aware that there may well be pipes, cables, water pipes or drains below, so it's a good idea to check in advance. For example, I know there's a drainage pipe comes through here. I'm already aware of it. I've avoided it. Right, let me show you this in action. I'll speed it up so that you can see me getting 2 foot deep with this. And there we go. That's taken me no more than 5 or 6 minutes. Now, I do benefit from soft ground, I accept that. And you might meet a stone or a bit of rubble. That's 2 foot. More than deep enough. Let's put a fence post in. And if you want to see me make the whole fence, I will link to it in the description box below this video. That, when it's got some postcrete in it and made vertical, is going nowhere. Right, how to use fence post hole digger. See you soon for some more fencing adventures. Bye for now.